shooting the concrete.
I didn't think they was wearing only shirt that said. They got one more.
Kelly, first Carnival coming up with a 1 minute siren.
10-4.
PJs are all clear? All clear. I'm coming up. Lisa, give me a countdown, please. Machine is charged. 9.
It worked. Yeah, it worked.
It worked.
Well. All right, let's do it over.
I don't think we can.
Yeah, redo.
All right, now we gotta get them out.
All right, good luck, guys.
No, I told him, I said, I have an airplane. He said, oh,
DJ, let's get, please hold on the bridge, get the wood off the bridge, so then we can get that open. I'll do the inspection.
10-4. Bring me later, Collins.
Hey. You guys are clear to go on the bridge?
well, it's definitely gone.
Yeah, that way.
Oh, it's where's the film?
Huh? Look at it, it's laying up there on the bank.
We should wait for that guy doing the survey before we get more traffic on the bridge to get his machine, his instrument.
He's getting it right now.
All right.
That hurt my eardrum.
All right, you did a good job, man.
Thanks.
Great job, man.
Yep, appreciate it.
All the buoys are floating?
Yeah.